In this video, I'm going to explain what the Honda A137 maintenance code is and how you can reset it. So for those that don't know, on Honda models, when your car needs maintenance, you're going to get a code like this that pops up. So it's normally just going to be a letter followed by a number or a string of numbers. Now I do have a 2024 Honda Pilot, so your instrument panel might look a little different, but either way, a code's going to pop up. But if you do the maintenance yourself, everything's not going to reset on its own. You're going to need to reset it yourself. So in order to do that, you're going to need to go to the home screen. If you're not there, you click on the home button, and then we're going to go right one time, click on vehicle settings, and then we're going to go right one more time and click on the maintenance info. Now going back to the code, the A137, this is where we can break down the required maintenance. So A stands for engine oil, 1 stands for tire rotation, 3 stands for transmission oil, and 7 stands for brake fluid. So basically I need an oil change, a tire rotation, I need to change the transmission oil, and change the brake fluid. So if you do this yourself, you're gonna need to reset it yourself. So I click select reset items, engine oil, and you just hit reset. Now I'm not gonna do that right now because I have not done that maintenance. But again, if you're doing this yourself, that is how you do it. And then to go back, you just hit the home screen. So I hope this video helped figuring out what the A137 maintenance code is and how to reset it. Thanks for watching.